In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Cengage system to complete your computer exercises. As you can see, I'm already on the As You Learn page, and the computer exercises that I will post on As You Learn, they will start with C. C3 means it's the computer exercise from chapter 1. All you have to do is click on the link and it will lead you towards a Cengage website. So I'm going to show you the very first exercise which is due. Then you will click on this link. You can do it in a bunch of ways. I'm going to show you the first method. The first method is, as I'm teaching this course in R, so you have to open this file in R. Feel free if you want to use Stata is just fine. But I'll be cautious about using Excel because some of the later models that we will use, you cannot run those models in Excel. So I'm going to show you how to open this file in R. So I'm going to click on this R file and I'm going to click Others and I'm going to select Rstudio here. Okay, click OK again. And now this data will be opened in R. As you can see, this data is here. If you click on this file, here is the data that you need for this exercise. So I'm going to close this data set. You can open R script file and you can start typing in your commands that you can apply on this data set. For example, I'm going to apply summary command and it will give you a summary statistics for this class. Don't worry about it if you do not understand what this summary command is doing, because I'm going to explain this in some of the other videos. So the second way to bring our data file in R is to use this command. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save this data set on my desktop, and then I'm going to bring that saved file into R. So I'm going to click on this, save file, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. The first command here lets you choose the file that you save in a folder interactively, just like the way you do it in an operating system. And this load file will load the file here so that it can be used. I'm going to save the file as a data file. So this is an assigning operator, which means I'm saving this data as data. You can name your file data or any other name. Okay, so I'm going to run this command. You can run this command by selecting this data and run, or clicking here and then control entering. I'm going to control enter and see a window popped up. This is the file that I'm interested in bringing. I'm going to double click on this file, and as you can see, the data is here called data, and this is the same data that we saw earlier. There are a bunch of other ways, and one of the courses that I assigned you on Data Camp, it will teach you how to bring these files into R. But for this course, the simplest method to bring any file in R is using these commands. The first thing you need to do is go to Tools, Install Packages, and you have to install package for this book. The package is called Woolrich. Install this package. Make sure that in install dependencies is checked. So this will install this Woolrich package, and also it will bring all the data sets that we need for this course in the R environment. Okay, so we know that we need this maple data set, and the name of the data is right here, or you can get the name of the data from the file that I saved here. Okay, so I'm going to run, actually the name of the file is meep01. I'm going to run this command, and as you can see, the data is right here. To use this data, I'm going to save this data as my data, and now I can apply this summary command on my data and I will get the same result. Okay, if you want to know more about the data, you can go to packages and then this Woolrich package and then meep01, and you can know more about this data set. As you can see, these are the details of this data set, what this data set is about. It's defining different variable names, and this will give you an idea about the names of the variables and what each of the variable is representing. Okay, so this could be like cumbersome, especially if you are new to R, but believe me, after you will do it a bunch of times, it will be very easier for you. Do let me know if you have questions or if you are facing difficulty in bringing your data in R, or if you need any help in getting started with R. I'll be more than happy to help you out. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.